Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I thought I would do a wear test since I am home for the weekend. I'm going to do a wear test with the Laza nail adhesive tabs. I'll put the link down below. I believe I got them on Amazon, so I'm sure I can find it. So the Laza nail adhesive tabs. If I said it wrong, sorry. And some nails that I have made over, so I'm going to pick some that I have designed already. I think I want to do I want to do super long, obnoxious ones? I haven't had any nails on for a long time, so I think I will do something fun. And we'll get started. So let's see. I think these, looks like I have 10 of those. So let's check this out, shall we? Those are fun. Oh, cute. I missed having nails, so this is my way to do it without ruining my nails, because I'm not going to put glue or anything on them yet until I grow my thumbs out a little bit more. But the adhesive tabs will be fine. Working as a hairstylist with them isn't always good because just the adhesive tabs won't make it, but I want to see how they will over the weekend. I already prepped my nails, so I did buff them a little bit and put my Color Street, not that one, nail strengthener on. So I have that on already. I did that last night. Oh, how many thumbs do I have? Oh, that's cute. That is not, I don't think I have, maybe I don't have enough nails in this set. Nope, that works. No, I do. I just made an extra thumb. Oh, I think I messed one up. I don't know. I don't remember. So that works. Actually, I should put them on. Whoa. This thing. I'm going to put them on the case. Finish getting set up. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got one of the little adhesive tab things out. I am going to just put rubbing alcohol on all my nails. I have some lint-free wipes here. So I'm just going to use that. Clean off each nail. Hey, look at that. They're doing pretty good. Here's the other hand. So not too bad. So now that that's done, there is a plastic layer off this. So I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to just start with the pinky. So I'm going to take the tab off, put it on each finger. That one. So if they come off, I'm going to reapply the sticky with my leftovers. We'll do one hand at a time. Oh, that's kind of small. Do that one. There we go. So I'm going to do the thumbs last. That'll obviously be these two big ones. So let's see. Do the other hand. Or am I going to... We'll do one hand at a time. Or am I going to be sorry? Put it on. Press and hold like 15 seconds. Feels like it's on there. We'll find out. Oh, good. The whole thing came off. Press and hold. Oop, I think I missed one. This will do. Yep, right there. Little plastic tabs stay everywhere. Okay, press and hold. Do the other hand, and I'll come back for the thumb. Okay, it's just the thumbs on. I put these on off camera. So let's do it. A little tricky to get it off with nails. Thing is, you set it down, then you can't see it again. It took me a minute to find where I put it on my desk. So I'm going to take both of these off first. I missed the spot. There we go. One more. That came off easier. So put it on. Oops, without you in there. Press and hold. And pretty much I'll be pressing and holding it for a while after too, when I'll just be watching a movie after this. So let's see if they stay on. It feels good to have some nails on. Ah, perfect. Those are cute. Okay, stay tuned. I'll have some updates for you. And so today it is Friday night, and I'll have updates through the weekend, through Monday. So this video is Tuesdays, so I'll have a good couple days and see how long they last. With just normal washing, you know, washing my hands and all that. I'm going to be wearing gloves if I do dishes, that kind of fun. So, see you in a little bit. Well, I'm back. I thought I was going to have more updates because I thought they were going to fall off by now, but those adhesive tabs are holding on. So they're ready to go. So as you can see, that one's not holding on very well at all. But most of them are on pretty good. A little bit of wiggle room, so it's definitely can't, you know, put a ton of pressure on them. But they're holding on. I'm putting a little pressure. They're still holding on. Holding on. So it is Monday, late afternoon, early evening, and I put them on Friday night. So what is that? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 3 solid days. I probably get away with one more day, but they are coming off. I am done. So that's pretty impressive for me because usually I've been washing my hands a lot. I've been sick. That's why I missed Saturday's video. Yes, I ended up with COVID last week. So I've been not feeling well. I'm finally feeling better today. So yay. So I put these on and I was a big sweaty mess by the time I finished putting just this on my nails. So Saturday's video never got made. But I got to look at these all weekend. So that was nice. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3-4 days. Not bad, not bad. So I am going to take them off, and how I'm going to do that, I have this, it's the marmalade cuticle oil. It smells really good. It's nice and oily. So I'm going to put my thing down here, and I'm just going to load it up with cuticle oil because I'm sure my fingers need it. Oh yeah, nice. So I'm lifting up, getting it under this tab. You know what I mean. Doing the things. Oh, that one's on really good. There it is. So I'm just getting the oil underneath. This one smells so good. I think I have another backup somewhere, but this one's super oily, so that's why I'm using it. Look at that, the shine. So I'm just going to see if they come off easy. This one should come right off. I'm not trying to put any pressure, and there we go. Just wash my hands really well. I don't want to well, there we go. And it's just adhesive tab, so they should come off really easy. Soapy warm water. I'm just doing oil this time. And I should be able to clean up the oil and reuse these nails. That part I like. It was a good break. I'm ready to just do some color street on them. Got some nice length on my natural nail. Ta-da! So just the cuticle pusher, getting in there. I'm just kind of loosening them up. Then I'm going to wash my hands really good. Get that. Yep, not bad. Got some nice length over the last couple days. I do take collagen and my hair, skin, and nails vitamins I got out of Costco. Oh, nice. It'll be a length. That'll be cute with whatever. I think I pulled some Color Street out so I can have something to put on later. See, look at that. It's just sticky tab. There we go. And they're off. Nails are just as how I left them. There was no glue involved, as you can see in the beginning of the video. And I'm going to just use a scrub brush and get the rest off. Thank you so much for joining me. It was fun having really long nails. It's been quite a long time since I did that. I'm just going to make sure to get the sticky, make sure it's not sticky on the underside of these. Clean them up, and then I can reuse them. Oh, there's a weird mark there, but that's fine. We're good. Yep, they're still all good. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to give me a nice thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. That is it. As you can see, just rolling the stuff off comes off easy. So that's it. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.